Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. I, Farisa teacher, welcome you all to EVS class. Today, we are starting our second term and also will be starting our first lesson, that is Plant World. Let us begin our class by watching this video about plants.
Plant World. We see different kinds of plants around us. They are of different sizes. Some plants are big, while others are small. Trees. Big and strong plants are called trees. Banyan, mango, neem, and coconut are trees. Shrubs. Some plants are small. They have hard and woody stems. They are called shrubs. Rose, tulsi, and henna mehendi are shrubs. Herbs. Some small plants have soft and green stems. They are called herbs. Wheat, mustard, sunflower, and grass are herbs.
Parts of a plant. Trees, shrubs, and herbs are plants. Just as we have different parts in our body, in the same way, plants also have different parts. Let us take a look at them. Root, stem, bud, flower, leaf, fruits, branch.
Children, please take out page number 97 of second term reader, and we will be starting the first lesson, that is the plant world. Do you know what are plants? Everyone is having some plants or trees around their houses, right? And you all know, children, plants are very important in our lives because they give us oxygen, and with this oxygen we breathe in fresh air. So if you don't have any plants or trees around you, you can plant some seeds in your balconies and keep the pots in the balcony and give them water every day. Okay, children? Now we will start our lesson. I'm going to read it out and explain you. So please be ready. Now let us start. There are different plants around us. Some plants are big and some plants are small. Have you ever noticed it, children? Some plants are big around us and some are very small. Now we will learn about big plants. Big and strong plants are called trees. See, what are they called? Trees. Like banyan tree, mango tree, and coconut tree. Aren't these big and strong trees, children? Yes, so these are called trees. Please turn to page number 98. Now comes small plants. Some plants are small and strong. They are called shrubs. Can you see these pictures? This is tulsi and these are roses and this is henna. So, how do they look? They look small, but they are very strong and they are called shrubs. They are small but strong. So these type of plants are called shrubs. Okay. Some small plants have soft green stems and are weak. They are called herbs. So how are a few more plants, bete? They are very soft with green stems and they are also very weak. They are called herbs and their example is in these pictures. What is this? Wheat. We all eat wheat? Yes, Mama makes roti with wheat. This is also herb. Mustard. We use this flowers. We make oil with these flowers and it is called mustard. So mustard oil is very healthy for us. And this is also a herb. Sunflower. I think you all have seen these flowers. With this also we get oil, right? So even these are herbs. Grass. Grass is also a kind of herb because it is very soft. Green stems are there and it is also weak. It's not strong. So these type of plants are called herbs. Okay. Now comes climbers. We are learning about climbers. Some plants cannot grow straight on their own. They need support of a wall, stick or other plants. They are called climbers. Yes, children, some plants, they cannot grow straight. They need some support of wall or a stick or any other plants. Then only they can grow. For example, peas, grapevine, money plant. So these are all climbers. Without any support, they won't grow. They need support. Okay. So these type of plants are called climbers. Come to next page, that is page number 99. Creepers. Some plants have weak stem. They grow along the ground. They are called creepers. For example, watermelon. Who loves watermelon? Yes, everyone loves to eat watermelon, especially in summers. But do you know, children, watermelon is a creeper. It grows along the ground. It cannot climb. It cannot grow straight. It grows on the ground. Okay, so these type of plants are called creepers. Even pumpkin. Pumpkin is a creeper because even that grows along the ground. Okay, now parts of a plant. You all know, children, we do have parts of our body. So does a plant. As our body has different parts, plants also have different parts. The parts of a plant are roots, stems, flowers, buds, fruits and leaves. Okay, now I'm going to show you in this picture. What are these? Bud. These are flowers. This is fruit. What are these under the ground? Roots. And this thick green part is stem. And these are leaves. So these are parts of the plants. Okay. Now we will tick the correct answer. The first one. Small and strong plants are called dash. What are they called? Shrubs, herbs or trees? What are they called? Small and strong. Yes, shrubs. So please tick shrub and write here shrub. S-H-R-U-B-S. Okay? Second one. Pea and money plant are dash. Trees, climbers, creepers. What are they called? Climbers, because without support they cannot grow. So these type of plants are called climbers. So please tick on climber and write here climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. Okay, children? Now, take out page number 100. Now, let us see what type of leaves do the plants have. Plants have different types of leaves. Some are big and some are small. Leaves are mostly green in color. Which color are leaves, children? Green. See, banana leaves are like this. Rose is like this. Plants have different types of flowers too. See, which flower is this? Yes, sunflower. And this is marigold. Aren't they beautiful? Yes, they are very beautiful. Now, plants also have different types of fruits. Fruits are formed from flowers. How do we get fruits, children? We get them from flowers. If there are no flowers, no fruits. Because the fruits come out of flowers. See, mango. And this is apple. This is lychee. This is papaya. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have one seed and some have many seeds inside them. Yes, for example, papaya has so many black seeds inside it. And also does apple. Apple also has many seeds. Okay, children, but some fruits have very few seeds and some have many seeds. Okay, now comes to next page, that is 101. A baby plant comes out of a seed when it gets water, air and sunlight. So from where does a baby plant come? It comes out of a seed when it is having sufficient water, air and sunlight. And sunlight gives us warmth. So does it gives the plants. Then only there is a small plant coming out of a seed. Now we will see what type of uses are there from plants. Uses of plants. Plants are our best friends. They give us the following things. Can you see all these pictures? Fruits, vegetables, grains, paper, wooden items, cotton, sugar, spices, oil, tea and coffee, gum and medicines. So these are all the items that we get from plants. See children, how important are plants in our life? Can we live without plants? No, we cannot live without plants because they give us so many things. It is your duty to protect each and every plant. Okay children, so with this I finish my explanation. Please read the lesson on your own. Children, Your homework for today is on page number 97. Please do this activity and send it in your respective class groups. Take care of yourselves. See you tomorrow. Bye.